What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is my Reolink camera collection, starting off with the Argus 2E. I purchased two of these for the front of my house. They come with a solar panel which charges the battery inside the camera, and that camera battery life lasts around 30 days. This camera I bought over 2 years ago. It has really bad sun fade on the solar panel, but the solar panel is still charging the battery inside the camera, which is really impressive. And this camera actually lasted through some really nasty tropical storms. This is the Reolink Argus Eco, just like the Argus 2E. It has a solar panel that comes with it, which charges the battery inside the camera. It has built-in Wi-Fi. It does not support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so make sure you connect it to a 2.4 gigahertz router. And it has built-in two-way walkie-talk feature. Right here is the Reolink E1. This is an indoor camera only. It has built-in Wi-Fi and it does have two-way walkie-talk feature. Now this camera must be plugged in indoors only, does not have a battery or a solar panel unlike the other cameras, but it does rotate and tilt, which is fantastic. I actually purchased another one and I'm going to show you how to set it up. Now I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Reolink E1. First, download the Reolink app. You can download the footage on an SD card inside the camera, or you could pay for cloud service. I do both just in case if the SD card gets corrupted, then I have my cloud recording. I paid for the yearly service and I can have up to 5 cameras on the cloud service. You can watch all 4 cameras at once, or you could click on one individual camera and watch the footage. Alright, so I'm going to open it up and take a look. This is the manual. It shows you how to set it up. Right here is the mounting bracket and the screws. And this is the power adapter. Now it does work for iPhone and Android phones. The camera rotates almost in a 360 degrees and tilts up and tilts down. You can connect using an Ethernet cable. I'm going to use Wi-Fi, plug in the power, and click on the plus on the app to get started. To connect the camera to the app, scan the QR code under the camera, click on Wi-Fi connection, and hit next. Go ahead and put in your password for your router. Then the app will produce a QR code. Then use the camera to scan the QR code. Go ahead and tap next, and the camera will start to rotate and begin the process of connecting to the app. Put in your password and you should be able to see the video footage now. Now tap the upper left corner and then you could tap on cloud to connect to your cloud. Choose a plan. I chose the 5 camera plan for the year. And then simply add your camera. It should be in the list of cameras to add. And then go ahead and select, and it should start the process to add to the cloud server. Now if you don't want to use the cloud server service, then you can simply plug in a micro SD card. I suggest a 32 gig class 10 micro SD card will work just fine. If you have any kind of issues with the camera, there is a reset button underneath the lens, or you could simply unplug the power cord for 1 minute. Testing. Testing 1 2. The Reolink cameras are very reliable, and the Reolink app is very easy to use. In horizontal mode, you can swipe left and right to see different camera live footages. You can also zoom in, but only the Reolink E1 you can rotate. By tapping on the bottom right, you can rotate right, left, tilt up, and tilt down. Now, if you decide to rotate left and right, keep in mind that there is a slight lag. So I do little bursts at a time to see where I want to position the camera. And right here, I'm demonstrating to show you that the camera pretty much goes in a full 360 degrees. The camera also tilts up and also tilts down. This is a very inexpensive camera with a lot of features, and the cloud service is also inexpensive. This is one of the best indoor video surveillance cameras you can get. Hopefully this video helped you out with your purchase. Thanks for watching.